Well, Election Day has come and gone, and we still do not know who will be president of the United States. It's not official yet. Several states still too close to call, potentially lawsuits now being filed in others.
And you know what? We just heard from the former VP making a statement live here in Delaware, and he said, "We have no doubt that when the count is finished, Senator Harris and I will be declared the winner, but still, we are waiting right now that afternoon to hear that official word." And Fox 59's Jessica Hayes sat down with Mike Reeves from Strategic Wealth Designers to discuss what this all means for investors and their money.
Mike, what should investors be looking at right now?
Well, what they're seeing in the market right now is something called a relief rally. A lot of uncertainty before the election. The market came down, obviously, before the election, and now you're seeing stock prices rise after the election. This is nothing new. It's just a settling down. Going forward, there are going to be other factors that move the market, some volatility around the election that happens all the time. That should have been expected.
And the market really has zoomed up since the election on Tuesday. What's driving it up so sharply, and can we expect that to continue?
Well, it's the stimulus is coming back into play now. The politicians, they were kind of pushing that off until after the election for whatever reasons. They weren't really worried about the American public, in my opinion, like they should have, because you've got small businesses hurting out there. You've got the unemployed who need some help. Well, that's going to be back on the table. They should get something passed quickly. And as far as going forward, what the market does, it's going to be related to the size of the stimulus. If they don't pass enough, you could see the market fall further. If they pass, quite a bit, you could certainly see the market go to new highs. It just depends on the stimulus in the very short term.
And if the race for president does head to court, should investors prepare for problems?
I really think you could see some short-term volatility. However, longer term, it's going to be the stimulus, and then probably even more importantly, it's going to be the coronavirus. I mean, do other countries continue to shut down their economies? What do we do here? What are the infection rates? How about the vaccines? These vaccines will probably be out here, a couple of them at least, in the next 30 to 45 days. Do people take them? Do they work? Those are the real fundamentals that are going to drive the stock market in the long term.
All right, Mike Reeves, we appreciate it. As always, thank you.
Thank you.
For more information on this topic or any other money saver, head to fox59.com and click on the Strategic Wealth Designers tab.